freaking morning, world. I'm not even gonna say it's a good morning because it's downpouring. Like, not even possible for me to go out at all. So I'm gonna have a little rainy day in my life today. Basically, nothing's going on today. I mentioned yesterday in Vlogmas Day 1 that there is a little Christmas festival, but obviously we're not going, but we're gonna have a little fun rainy day. I woke up really freaking late. It's already 1:33. But I feel like that was like necessary for a rainy day. I just slept so well last night because of the rain all night. That's really all I have to say. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2 and good morning. Before I start on my breakfast, let me show you what outside looks like because it's like quite literally flooding everywhere. It's crazy. To do because they won't go in the rain. They're like terrified of the rain for some reason. It's perfect weather to read a book too. But let's make breakfast first. Some honey butter. Let's try it. I don't really know how to make oatmeal. So freaking good, so I'm gonna go sit and eat. I'll see you guys after. Play some guitar. Oh my god, I cannot carry that. It's so heavy. I'm gonna go over to the cabin. Car that my brother totaled in the back. Moving on. I have to cross this treacherous terrain right here. And I'm gonna go play my guitar over in the cabin. I told myself, let me do something other than sit in my bed all day, but let's go play guitar. Very weird about my guitar playing skills because I just started like 2 months ago. Oh, that's so easy. Back home in my room, and basically what we have to do now is go get ready because we're about to head over to a family friend's house for dinner. And I think my dad's making hibachi, which I'm really excited for. Let me get changed because I don't think I want to wear this. I could easily just wear this. I think I'm gonna change. Oh. Hey. If I just wear this, let me just put my shoesies on and then let's head out. Oh frick! It's in our goal. 6-0 because you suck.
Because you suck! If I was trying to do something...
Shut up. I'm just gonna move it all the way around our goal, okay? Right? That's what I'm saying.
Go to the goal!
It's not. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We'll be fine.
But I'm not even gonna... I'm literally just gonna try now.
I I've been trying. What do you mean?
You've been trying?
Where were you? Where were you?
I was going.
Coming in late. Oh my god.
Rain?
Oh my
What the heck is
god.
wrong? You are closer!
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was never my fault. Yeah, that's exactly what I am.
Was the Band-Aid on my face?
We're all working for your video here. Probably get more views if I had nicer nails.
That's definitely how it works.
Yeah.
Whoever wants to watch you eat.
It's not like the point is to just show me eating. To show my whole day.
You make another one of those videos?
You make another one of those videos?
Yes, I
Like,
watched them.
wow.
First show I've ever seen.
Wow. I'm getting bullied.
Right.
Oh, we gotta watch TV. Yeah.
You're not.
Elsie?
And then we gotta show the doggy.
Oh god.
Oh my goodness. Bite him?
You're just mad because they love me most. All
At
the
you,
doggies
I think
love
they're trying
me.
to get to me.
Hello.
Elsie, sit down. He just came.
Winnie's gonna be so mad at me.
Elsie.
Wanna smell those doggies on
Come
you?
here. Come here. Hi, baby.